happened because I'm now joined by, or I earlier spoke to Dr. Sudhakar. He's the Health Minister of Karnataka, BJP ruled state. Dr. Sudhakar, all opposition ruled states today are coming together saying it is the centre's job to universally procure, to centrally procure all vaccines, make them available to the states for distribution at free of cost, whether it's 18 to 44 age group or 45 plus. Are BJP states like Karnataka also on board? Vaccine now must be procured centrally by the Modi government and made available free for all, no differential pricing, as the Supreme Court said yesterday.
Rajdeep, thanks for the opportunity to clarify a lot of things about the myths, what is going on and the confusion about the vaccination in India. First of all, I do not understand the concept of free vaccination. See, up till the age of 12 years in India, I think a dozen of vaccines is needed, and for decades we have seen that the states are giving the vaccinations free of cost in all our government hospitals to the crores of people, and there are crores of people who also avail the vaccination in private sector. We always know that the government healthcare and also it is supported by a very strong private healthcare in India, and that has been going on for decades together. And in this, I understand this is such a pandemic situation. So Government of India has stepped in to support all the states, and that is precisely why Government of India initially they bought the vaccines, they distributed to the states 45 plus, and till now I think we have vaccinated more than 22 crore people in India, and we were the country to reach 20 crore I think the fastest way.
Sir,
after China. I can't.
Sir, you're not answering though the central question I posed, which is when the Supreme Court yesterday said government vaccine policy is arbitrary and irrational, they had a reason for it. If those over 45 are getting their vaccines free of cost, or the government is procuring them at 150 rupees, but states are getting the same vaccine at 600, 900 rupees, or the private sector is getting it at 1200 rupees, the question is, how can you have differential vaccine rates for Indians? We are all citizens, whether we are 18 to 44 or 45 plus. Let's be clear. Don't you think that we need a clarity over pricing systems? I mean, you can have one for private hospitals, but how can the government system have different, how can state governments be asked to procure it at a different rate compared to the center?
Rajdeep, you know very well, ours is a cooperative federalism by virtue of, by constitution. So we all know that we need to share our responsibility. Health has always been a state issue. But however, because of this unprecedented pandemic times, Government of India has stepped in and it used to procure for everybody. But that is when the politically motivated people, the parties, some sections of the media, they said, why centralized procurement by the center? Why everything from the central policy? It has to be decentralized. Let every state buy. These were the things that went on a few weeks back. And when they decentralized, we are seeing that states are fighting with each other, going for global participation of tenders. And this is what is happening today. So all that I would like to clarify is that this is a cohesive approach that this has to be a cohesive approach between states and center and private medical facilities. I was seeing couple of days back, Rajdeep, in your show, you really appreciated the kind of citizenry, the volunteer effort of Dakshin Kannada district, how well the volunteers, the citizens, they joined in handling the vaccination and many measures that went on to curb the second wave in that particular district. That is the real approach, that is the real spirit in which the India should move forward.
Sir, no one doubts citizens' activism is important, but I retain my point. You're not answering my central question. 35,000 crores was set aside in the union budget for the country's vaccination program. Today, states are paying much more for the same vaccines that the center is procuring. Why should we have a differential pricing system? Why should private players, maybe you can say, can charge their own rates, but why would a situation come where every vaccine certificate carries Mr. Modi, the Prime Minister's picture, and yet there seems to be a reluctance to, in a way, have one pricing across? Let's make it free for all. That's what I think the court was trying to say. That's what the states are saying. Centralized procurement, distribution by the states, free for all.
That is precisely what I am trying to convince you, Rajdeep. See, the center and the government of states, we are giving the vaccination free in our facilities, whether they are 18 to 44 or 45 to 45 and above. But we have given a choice for the people. If they want to select in the private establishments, we have to give them the liberty, we have to give them the choice. That has been practicing from a lot of many decades.
Yes,
if you look
exactly.
at all the vaccines, I told you, more than a dozen of vaccines today we are giving free of cost in our government facilities. Similarly, this COVID vaccine will also be given free of cost in our government facilities, and the government of Karnataka has announced.
Sir, go ahead. Government of Karnataka has announced.
Government of India also, though it is not its subject, the health does not come to the central subject, they have been so much reactive, responsibly, and they have been helping all the states right from the day one, 2020 February onwards, right from this outbreak broke.